Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. A few weeks back or a few days back, it was Warren Buffett's 93rd birthday, and an article had come on the Hindu business line about nine advice he gives us all value investors, his pearls of wisdom. So I thought I'll walk through one by one what was there in the article and get Anand's view on these nine value investing advices that comes from Warren Buffett, and see what Anand feels about this and how we may apply it sitting in India and in our Indian markets. First one, Anand, he says, avoid big mistake. In today's age of information overload, he says, avoid big mistakes.
Yes, this is very important because a big mistake can sink you. So people ask me, why don't you buy a stock if you know it's good? Put a lot of money in it. Always you should understand when you start small, you put only bet money which you can afford to lose because there is always a possibility that you could misjudge. You may argue that Buffett puts billions. With $150 billion in the bank, he can afford to lose a couple of billion, right? You cannot afford to lose a couple of lakhs.
No.
So there is something in economics called Kelly's criterion, which tells you the apt size of what you can invest, and which is a mathematical formula. And it always better to err on the side of caution. Like at 150, I could have invested in 20,000 ITC shares. I did far less than that. That is because what I could afford to lose is what I invested.
Correct.
In looking at hindsight, it might look stupid that I didn't do 20,000, but I had gone to 65 from there.
So the pain would have been
enormous.
Yes. Second thing he's talking about is limited financial resources. You should not deter one from investing in it. It might lead to better decisions.
See, what he says is, and again I found out, how much you have in the tank does not determine whether you invest or not. As long as you have no debt. The stupidity is you are paying higher interest on your debt and you keep investing. That you don't do. Normally you pay off your debt and then get into investing. So, unless it's a housing loan or a vehicle loan. But most people don't invest thinking we have no money to invest. But my argument is you can do even a SIP of 100 rupees a month.
Correct.
Not bad. And you can even buy 1 milligram of gold a month.
Very true.
So, no size is too small. And I have known it because when I went through difficult times, I kept investing, you know that. So
very true.
I kept investing.
Next one, he talks number 3. Understand your investments and valuations. Otherwise, you might be one with a disadvantage.
Because I'll tell you this all the time, and this is my tagline also. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. So I say this also in Tamil, that because it's a diamond pin, you can't take it to poke your eye.
Poke your eye out with it, yes.
Yes. So it might be a diamond pin, very
Yes.
valuable, but does not mean that you take and poke your eye.
Correct.
See, and for me, Tata is a very favorite group of mine, and I have a photograph of the great JRD in my mantelpiece. And he inspires me daily. But if I have to go by Trent or Tata Consumer at today's price, it doesn't make any
sense.
My emotion and halo effect.
Yes.
In behavioral science, we call this as halo effect.
It's very true.
My halo effect will make me want buy Tata Consumer or buy Trent. But reality shows that I should not be buying it at these prices.
Very true. Number 4, he says patience in investing is invaluable, especially when others are acting rashly. Patience.
Patience is an extremely important thing. That is, you wait for the correct time to buy. He waited for 20 years to buy Coca-Cola.
Very true.
And for me, patience was in waiting to buy Natco. I've been waiting to buy Natco for a long time. And suddenly somebody thought that he's going to lose a court case and threw it cheap, and I just went and we just picked it up.
True. 5. High growth rates cannot last forever. Fundamentals should not be ignored when the base grows.
Yes, because finally, if you are paying too much for a stock in terms of price to earnings, that means you are paying for growth.
Correct.
Now, if you take all the FMCG companies in India, they are all valued at 60, 70 times earnings. Even Colgate is at 49 times earnings. The growth is in single digits.
Very true.
So you don't, it may be a great company. Its accounts may be perfect, but the valuations don't justify
the price. 6. Following the crowd, especially late, can lead to losses, and echoed in Buffett's Wall Street observation.
That is a classic case is Newton in the South Sea bubble. Newton is one of the most intelligent men in the world.
Correct.
So he invested some money in the South Sea bubble. He doubled it. He came back, and to his surprise and shock, stock kept going up.
Correct.
So he thought he missed out on a good one. So he put all his money, he pledged his house, and took that money and put it into that, and it bankrupted him.
Very true.
So it can happen to Newton, it can happen to you and me.
Very true. Missing out on opportunities, especially outside one's expertise, is not a failure.
See, once you should know your circle of competence and stick to your circle of competence.
Very true.
What you do not know, you don't invest. And if it means that you have lost some money, it's okay. It's a lost opportunity, but you do know the business. And there is no point in investing in a business in which you have no clue. I have missed more opportunities than I have made money.
Very true.
But that's life. You win some, you lose some. But the correct way is to go and understand what is the model. And once you understand the model, you have a basic model, get the valuation right, and then stick to it. Never buy a company which you don't understand.
Very
Like
true.
I still not understood how Zomato is valued at such valuations. So it's okay if I miss and Zomato or miss Policy Bazaar or miss Paytm.
Or even Nika.
Huh?
Nykaa.
Even Nykaa.
Yeah.
At least Nykaa made profits.
Yes. Once an informed investment is made, inactivity can often be the smartest move.
Yes, there are. I remember two things. When I bought Karnataka Bank at less than 35 and I stopped at 70, I think it's 200, 150 it touched and it's about 240 or something now. There have been many times people have told me that I made a wrong decision and it would, the bank would go kaput. But it didn't, and I knew it wouldn't. And value had to be discovered, and value was discovered. And over 4 years, we are sitting at 5 times earnings. Same way, I bought Indian hotels on the day the horrific Bombay
Attack
incident
happened.
took place. It was about 30-35 rupees. And I have not seen it since now.
Correct.
But I'm sure I have made more than 7 to 8 times my money.
Very true.
Yeah.
Last one. Beware of speculation, especially when it appears deceptively simple or easy.
One thing you should understand is markets are not easy. Right? And when you speculate, it's like a railway line which has railway crossing which has no gates. You see in wherever we go that even when the gates are there, people will try to go under the gate and try to cross the roads. 10 times or say 99 times out of 100 you will cross the gate.
True.
But one time or the other train will get you and you will die.
Very true.
That's speculation.
These are the 9 key advices from Warren Buffett on his 93rd birthday, which Anand has explained to you guys. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining as always. Turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified next time we have something for you. Thank you.
Thank you, and kindly subscribe to our channel and refer this with your friends and relatives. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. After the event in Bangalore, my team has decided that we should visit my ex-home, Saudi Arabia. We were there recently but visited only Dammam. The idea is to cover the other 2 major cities, Riyadh and Jeddah. On the 22nd of September, I'll be holding an event in Riyadh, and on 29th September, we will meet in Jeddah. Those who are desirous of meeting me both in Riyadh and Jeddah should contact the email ID given below and the WhatsApp number. My team would get back to you at the earliest. Once again, thank you for supporting Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.